The little chimp meticulously piles up the grass. It's his sole hobby. This little guy suffers from severe depression, a condition that's plagued him since birth due to his fragile health. He was raised by caregivers, which led to ostracism from his peers. With no companions willing to play with him, he resorts to solitary grass stacking. Yet, when visitors come to see him, he performs earnestly, even though he lacks proficiency. One day, a visitor showed him a street dance video, and to everyone's surprise, he quickly mastered it. This newfound talent made him popular, earning him special attention at the zoo. His intelligence was acknowledged by all, resulting in more companionship, which proved beneficial for his autism. Now, he continually showcases his intelligence, winning the hearts of many. This story calls for greater understanding and acceptance of individuals with autism spectrum disorder.